You like getting a scratch, Lucy? Does that feel good? Yeah. You want to say hi to your mom? Mama? You say hi to your mama? Yeah. That's a good girl. That's okay. Good girl. Now let's show her what you did. What did you do? Let's see if we can get a shot of the Band-Aid here. The Band-Aid. Let's see if she did too. She scratched herself up. Did you scratch yourself up? You did. You did. You was picking at it. You picked at it. Yes. And you bled everywhere, all over the floor, in fact. So Dad had to clean it and sterilize it. Did you know that? Yes, you did. You don't act like you didn't. You did. Yes. That's a silly girl. There's no answers in there. Don't look in there. Yes. Okay, other one. Get it. Yeah, keep it. Here you go. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. So good girl, eh? Yes. Oh, yes. Okay, say bye, Mama. Bye, Mom. Oh. You say bye? Let me see. What's that for? You say bye, Mama? Bye, Mama. Say, I love you, Mom. Good girl.